CARICOM Energy Week 2015, November 8th to 14th. Join us as we take time to explore alternative sources of energy that are both clean and renewable. We'll also show you how efficient energy consumption will not only preserve our environment, but also save you hundreds of dollars each year. Several businesses on Antigua are leading the way in promoting renewable energy and energy efficiency. Today, we spotlight alternate energy solutions.
I've been running electric cars now for about 7 years in Europe, and they're very economical, and they cut down the price of gas down to zero practically, because they're 100% efficient. So therefore I thought Antigua deserved a shot. The maker models are Nissan Leaf, which is the world's leading model. It's been out there now for 7 years. It's well proven. It doesn't cost anything to maintain apart from a 10,000 mile health check, which is free, and it's all governed by a laptop computer. All the parts are available. It's a well-proven vehicle, and at the moment we just brought a utility van, Nissan Leaf, which will help to assist the commercial businesses in Antigua and cut costs dramatically in fuel cost every month. And after saying that, I'm bringing in Peugeot too, and I'm bringing in BMW i3. All electric vehicles can take energy from solar and can take it from a regular outlet. We have a 32 amp wall charger, which is a fast charge, about 4.5 hours overnight. It's like a mobile phone. Every time you come to an outlet, just plug it in, and then the cost is spread out throughout the day. You could get about 110, 120 miles from one charge, and also you regenerate energy by 20%. So a regular person using that car would probably charge that car every 2 days, and that would cost you about 10 EC to run the car. The emissions complete zero, the maintenance is zero, the corrosion is zero. So therefore the car has over 100,000 mile guarantee, manufacturer's guarantee, and the car sells itself. So I don't need to push the car because it does sell itself. Whatever you spend in gas, then that will pay for the car, guaranteed. When you drive one of these cars, they're an experience. It's like riding along on a magic carpet. There's not one sound. The cars are tight, they're very low mileage, and they're very efficient. You're looking at 70,000 for the cheapest model. And depending on the mileage and where the car comes from and the spec, maximum you would pay for a Leaf would be 85. That's a used vehicle, 2011 or 12, and you would expect something for around about 10,000 kilometers on the clock, and that's not even a year's running for that type of car. Alternate Energy Supplies is based at Midway Storage Park, where I'm the owner, and we're currently building a showroom, a body shop, a mechanical shop, and we'll be able to facilitate everything that the car requires. So come along and we'll work out a finance deal for you, and all we're asking for is 10% deposit or part exchange car as the deposit, and we can stretch the payments over 5 years plus.
It's now time for today's energy saving tip. Plug home electronics such as TVs and DVD players into power strips. Turn the power strips off when the equipment is not in use. TVs and DVDs in standby mode will still use several watts of power. Thanks for joining us on CARICOM Energy Week Tour. Join us again tomorrow as we explore alternative sources of energy and learn more about energy efficiency.